In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see SKU on Shopify. SKUs, or stock keeping units, are the unique identifiers that help you organize inventory, track sales, and keep reports clean. If you sell items with variations like size or color, each variant can have its own SKU. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it in the Shopify admin and share a few simple tips so you can locate it quickly every time. First, sign into your Shopify admin. This is your store's control center, where you manage products, orders, and settings. Make sure you're on the desktop admin for the clearest view, and if you manage multiple stores, confirm you're in the correct one before proceeding. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Products. This opens your full product list. If you have a large catalog, use the search bar at the top to type the product name or a keyword. You can also sort or filter the list to narrow things down. When you see the item you want to check, click its name to open the product details page. On the product page, scroll until you see the section labeled Variants. If your product has only one version, you might not see a full list. Some stores have variant controls hidden until you add options. If there are multiple options, like small, medium, or different colors, you'll see each variant listed with pricing and inventory info. Click the specific variant you want to inspect to open its details panel. Inside the variant details, look for the field labeled SKU. Depending on your theme and settings, it's usually grouped near pricing or inventory. The SKU will appear as a short code, often a combination of letters and numbers, that uniquely identifies that exact item or variant. This is what you'll use to match products in your warehouse, in shipping tools, and in reports. If the field is blank, it means an SKU hasn't been set yet for that variant. Also note, SKU is different from the barcode or ISBN fields. Barcode is for scannable codes, while SKU is your internal reference. That's all there is to it. Open products, choose the product, navigate to variants, select the variant, and read the SKU field. Take a moment to copy it if you need to reference it elsewhere. Keeping SKUs clear and consistent will save you time in inventory counts, order picking, and customer support. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly where to find SKUs in Shopify.